Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the poetry section of the book Flamingo, and the first lesson of the poetry is My Mother at 66, written by Kamala Das. In this poem, the poetess has described about the paramount importance of human relationship and the relationship between the daughter and the mother. The relationship between daughter and mother is deep, emotional, and plays a very important role in human life and society. Kamala Das is very sad when he looks at the pale, senile body of her mother in oldhood. Time has been divided in different phases. Life span has been divided into different categories: childhood, grown-uphood, and adulthood, oldhood. In this poem, Kamala Das has compared the period of childhood and the oldhood. In the childhood, the children are very happy. They play, they enjoy, they have no worldly complexities. But with the passage of time, a man loses his or her vivacity, energy, charm, and become very frail and weak. And in this way, people enter into oldhood. The oldhood becomes a painful affair for the person concerned and the people around him or her. In this poem, there is a description of a journey where Kamala Das has started her journey in a car from her home to Cochin airport. In the car, the mother is there and the poetess herself is driving the car. The scenario that she observes about the mother in the car has nicely been depicted, that the mother looks like a corpse. And this situation makes her very sad and emotionally shattered. She recalls the days of childhood, and in order to divert the attention of herself, she looks outside and looks at the children, and in this way she removes the momentary fade looking outside and remembers the period of childhood and the oldhood. In this way, the poem has different kind of aspect, philosophical aspect, scientific aspect, and other emotional, social aspect, which will be described tomorrow by line of the poem My Mother at 60.